सो थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आपने हमें फिर टाइम दिया। तो आज मैं सोच रहा था आने से पहले कि किस टॉपिक पे मैं आपसे बात करूं। तो मुझे लगता है ECA एक बहुत मेन टॉपिक है जिसमें बच्चों को लेके बहुत सारी कन्फ्यूज़न है कि वो कहाँ पूछे, किससे पूछे। ECA पे आज हम बात करेंगे। तो मैम आप इस पर थोड़ा बताइए कि ECA असल में है क्या, और बच्चों को थोड़ा बताइए इसके बारे में।
ECA is extracurricular activities, and this refers to a supernumerary quota where students get admission on the basis of their extra talent which they have. We have 14 categories included in this: dance, debate, singing, solo. So there are lots of categories. 14 are enumerated by the university. That includes yoga also. So these categories, if you have any exceptional talent and achievements in this, you will be considered in ECA quota.
मैम मेरे से कई सारे बच्चे पूछते हैं कि उन्होंने फ़ोटोग्राफी किया जैसे, और उनके पास कई सारे सर्टिफिकेट्स भी है, तो वो मेरिट लिस्ट में उन्हें क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा?
Photography you asked. Photography is just same as any other extracurricular activities like ECA quota. It is very much included in ECA supernumerary quota. But the criteria is same whether it is photography or dance or drama or debate. What is happening for them is, for them 25% of the CUET score is counted, and for making the merit I am telling you, and 75% is their cultural performance, and of this 75%, 60% is their audition or physical test which the university they will invite them for, and 15% is for their certificates, meaning what type of certificates they are, national level, international level, or zonal, regional, whatever, or if it was for a competition, maybe they secured the first position, second position. So university has come up with a list of scorecard for each one of these category, and accordingly you will be getting marks out of 15, and 60 is for audition or maybe physical test which you will be giving. Same is for photography students.
बच्चों का सवाल ये भी है कि उन्होंने अप्लाई तो कर दिया है पर उनके पास अभी रिसेंट में सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, क्या वो कुछ महीने बाद या बाद में अपलोड कर सकते हैं?
Right. Certificate is the most important thing I tell you, and you have to upload maximum of 5 certificates, out of which 3 will be considered. But if you fail to upload certificate, your application will not be considered for ECA admissions. So certificates is must, and one more thing here is that you are not allowed to change your certificates, meaning even in the correction window, once your certificates which you submitted in the beginning are locked, then you cannot change them. That's for once and for all, that you have to upload the correct and your best certificates at the time of applying.
तो मैम जब मिड टर्म एडमिशन खुलता है तो वहाँ पे वो लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं?
No, even mid-term entry is not allowed for cultural students. ECA students, they have to be ready with the things. So the phase 1 is still open. I think they can go and organize for their best certificates and upload them if they want them to be considered for ECA admissions.
मैम हाउ यूनिवर्सिटी डिसाइड कि इसका ऑडिशन होना है, इसका नहीं होना है, कैसे डिसाइड होता है?
How university decides to whom invite for physical test or audition is depending mainly on your CUET score and your certificates which you have uploaded. And besides this, one very important thing is your program, meaning availability of a seat in that college, meaning the preference you have filled. You must check before filling that say you are for dance and that particular college is inviting a cultural admission or keeping a quota for dance or not. So that you must ensure from the seat matrix on the university web portal that if you are calling for photography or a dance seat in some college, but you should make sure that seat is available and is offered by the college.
मैम ये ऑडिशन कैसे होते हैं, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, इसमें थोड़ा बच्चों को डिटेल में बताएं ताकि बच्चे उसके लिए प्रिपेयर रहें.
Like for cultural activities you may call it audition, but for sports, photography and other one, it's a physical, meaning you have to appear there physically, physical appearance test. So for this test, you'll get a mail, and in your mail it will be written that at this time and at that venue, any of the college where that facility is available, you have to appear in front of the committee. Basically it's a committee constituted by the University of Delhi which has experts in that area. Say for example you are appearing for audition in dance, then the committee will have few members, one university representative, one particular college representative and few experts in the dance. You will perform there in front of them. Everything will be ready for you, meaning you will be given best opportunity to perform because your marks, 60 marks are dependent on the performance base. So once you perform there, then you will be called to show your certificates physically again and your signed copy of your certificate. You have to sign them it there, and the committee will show you, will interact with you and show you your marks to them, to you, sorry, I'll repeat. So after your audition is over, then you will be invited by the committee, cultural committee, who has taken your audition, to show your result, and they will ask you to sign your certificate and sign the result also. And what does that mean? That means there is no representation entertained after that. So whatever you want to say, you can please talk to the committee there itself if you feel that you are not happy or satisfied with anything. So take audition very seriously.
मैम अगर किसी बच्चे को लगता है कि उसका ट्रायल अच्छा नहीं है या फिर उसका जो जजमेंट हुआ है उसमें उसको ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है, तो उसका वो रीट्रायल दे सकता है?
As I told you already, the retrial or in the same trial, everything will be done on the same day with the same committee. So you should try to perform best, and if you still feel that you could do better or maybe convey your things better, please do it there itself in the audition only, because the grievances are not entertained later, especially for cultural.
मैम मान लो दो बच्चों के सेम नंबर आ गए ऑडिशन में और उनका टाई हो गया, तो उनका कैसे जजमेंट होगा, कैसे?
Right, tie breaking, you want to know about tie breaking in cultural admissions. Like university has very clearly specified its process, and it's absolutely transparent. If you have a tie, meaning your CUET plus cultural score is same, then what university has prescribed is that they will first check your score in the audition or in the physical test. Suppose your score in the physical test also is same, then it will consider your marks of the certificates. And we have 5 categories in the certificate. Even then the judgment is not done and there is no difference in the marks, then they will look at your date of birth certificate. The one who is elder will get a benefit. So this is how the tie is broken, or this is how the tie is solved in case of cultural admissions.
हम जैसा कि मैं पता है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में कई जगह से बच्चे आते हैं, कुछ बच्चों के पास नेशनल सर्टिफिकेट्स होंगे, कुछ बच्चों के पास इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेट्स होंगे, तो वो कैसे जज होंगे?
So regarding the national international certificates you are asking, there is a different category, meaning international, national, then state wise, zone wise, and maybe the school competition. So according to the prize you have received there, first prize, like say for international competition you have first prize, you get 7 marks, and same way for national maybe 4. So they have been arranged accordingly. But one important point here is that your performance have to be solo except the theatre, and if you are not performing solo and it's a group activity, I think 1 mark from there is deducted. So marking scheme is very clearly defined by the university, and if you are performing internationally and you have a first prize there, you get 7 marks.
तो मैम लास्ट वीडियो में एक चिराग नाम के बच्चे ने हमारी वीडियो पे कमेंट किया, उसने पूछा है कि वो फोटोग्राफी से है, तो उसका क्या प्रोसेस रहेगा, वो किस टाइप के सर्टिफिकेट अपलोड करे, तो वो कैसी बेसिकली वो कैसे प्रिपेयर करे?
Photography students, like if you say that I have a YouTube channel and I post lot of videos in Instagram or maybe Twitter or what, that is absolutely not considered for admission. But what is being considered is if you have made a good video under the banner of some good company, maybe photography, video, filmmaking company. Then also if you are a photographer and if you had a good exhibition of a good level, these things are considered, but not these things. So you must be able to convince that you have participated or you have organized an exhibition of your photography of that level. So, and in the audition again, you might be asked that actually you have done that work or not when you come with your all equipment and everything. This is how it is done for photography students, and the marks accordingly are divided, that what level of it is there. So in audition you have to show your certificates. You must have to convince that you have actually conducted an exhibition, or if you have actually made a movie or a good standard work, you are able to show in the audition.
तो मैम इन दी एंड आप कोई एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे जो भी बच्चे कल्चरल के थ्रू एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं उनके लिए?
For the ECA students, those who aspire to take admission through ECA, like one thing I would say is that focus on your audition, and the performance in the audition is like an interview. You must be able to convince the committee that you are a good candidate for them. And the second thing is your certificates. You must upload the best certificates in the first go, because you will not have the second chance. I hope that if you work on these 2 things, you will be able to secure a position, and your CUT score also is reasonable. And one more thing, which the error which I usually see students doing is that you must check that the college where you are filling your preference is actually looking for you. They have a seat for maybe dance or drama or photography wherever you are. Lot of students, I see these mistakes, and that is why even though everything is nice, but their option is not being considered. So I wish you best of luck for your admissions, and I hope this discussion with Akash help you.
तो थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आज आपने हमें फ्री टाइम दिया. आई होप हम इस वाले एपिसोड से बच्चों की काफ़ी मदद हो जाएगी. थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome.